Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 5 divided by 5 is equal to 90 divided 10. So 90 divided by 10 is equal to 9. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS PEM DAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so now 90. Now here is division and here is multiplication. Both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. Okay. So now 90, and now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 90 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this fraction. 10 by 5 is equal to 5 by 10. Multiply 5. Okay. Now 90 divided by 10 is equal to 9. So now the expression is become 9 multiply 5 multiply 5. Okay. So now here is multiplication and here is multiplication. Both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. So 9 multiply 5 is equal to 45 multiply 5. Now 45 multiply 5 is equal to 5, 5, 25. So 5 to carry 5 for 20 plus 2 is equal to 22. 225 is the correct answer. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.